broken screen. So I bought it with a broken screen, and I bought a screen, a replacement. So this was the new screen that arrived to me, and it was already damaged. Now, the really annoying thing is, this is a tedious fucking repair. Now, I bought another screen, and it's been shipped to me in the exact same manner. You sent it to me in a thin fucking cardboard thing like this, in a jiffy bag, okay? And you put at the bottom of this thing, the cables for this LCD are very fragile and easy to tear. We inspect closely every single one before sending, and we do not accept returns for torn flexes as we already checked them. Sure, you have, but when you're packing it this fucking thin in this little fucking sleeve for a switch light, okay, it's gonna get fucking damaged because you're putting it in a fucking jiffy bag. If you are selling a screen, now I bought this screen off eBay. Actually, this was a different seller who sent me the screen in the same exact fucking thing, okay? And I bought it for a different seller, and they sent me the screen in the same exact fucking thing. Now, what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna fit this screen. I expect this fucking screen to work. I swear to God, I'm a very, very impatient person when it comes to these sort of things. When I've spent all that time taking apart this fucking console, tediously taking apart a fucking console, and anyone does this as well. And I used to enjoy doing this shit. I really used to fucking enjoy doing it. But then you do all that work and you receive a fucking faulty screen. Now, the way this console is, I'm pretty sure you can't fucking test the screen other than putting it all together. I mean, I don't know, I'm not sure, I don't really know. I mean, it was the same as like the DS or something as well. If one ribbon cable isn't plugged in, the console just does not want to boot. I'm not sure if I can check the screen with just the screen being fitted to just a plain board like this. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna fit this fucking screen, and I pray to fucking God that it fucking works. When you're selling online on whatever website and you're sending a screen, why send it like this? What justification? To save costs on shipping, send it in a fucking parcel, man. You're sending it through a fucking courier. It's gonna cost the same fucking amount basically, or almost anyway. But I'd rather prefer if they sent it to me in a fucking parcel. At least it wouldn't be damaged. That's what's happened here. So I basically had to order this, wait for the screen, open this return to send the screen back. They've sent me the returns label. Fair enough. You sent me a returns label, wouldn't you? Because my position, if I sold a screen, I wouldn't have sent it like this. Okay, I would have sent it in a box, bubble wrapped or something, to avoid any shit like this. But now I had to wait for this screen, which arrived. Took a week. The screen arrived, and I take apart this and make sure I can send this back just in time, hopefully. Otherwise, if I don't send it back quick enough, that return window closes and I'm left with another broken screen. I've spent twice the amount on a screen. And I fucking hope this works, because this is going to be an endless cycle of like human centipede of repair. Okay, this has been Ace. Little angry rant about what the fuck what goes on the fucking evening when I have to do these fucking tedious little jobs like this. I don't want to be fucking doing. I don't have the fucking time. Anyway, might as well do a video showcasing the shit that I have to sometimes go through with repairs. Fucking hell, finally I spent a good portion of my life putting your LCD in. It's finally in and it looks fine. It's charging. Hopefully everything's all good. And yeah, fuck. For a brief moment I actually thought I'm gonna have another fucked up LCD, but lo and behold, it's fine. So I think that's the end of this. It will follow up to the last part of the video. I'm going to switch it out. I'm going to say peace out. You know, this time, as always, Ace out. Yeah, I think that sounds better. Ace out.